welcome back to my channel. Today my mom is gonna be making some outfits in Royal High. So here you go, you know how to make?
No.
Mm. Uh, Here's wings, here's skirt, heels, I don't have tail, then accessories, and then the hair is here, then so many hair. There's
Okay.
hair color here.
The hair color.
Then there's face here.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah. Oh, you like that one already?
Oh no, I love this.
Choose any. That one? Oh,
This one? No, I don't want it. No. This one? That's the one?
yeah.
But this one? No, it's too dark.
You can look for eye colors if you want.
Brown. No. I want it to look realistic.
You can scroll up.
Okay?
Yeah. Just loading. That's why it's not being back.
Okay, I think this one is nice enough. Yeah?
Yeah, no.
No, this one.
Okay. Hair. Okay.
This one. Let me see this one. Oh.
And
And then
hair. Hairstyle.
here's
Pick any hair.
color.
You can also get bangs there.
Oh, yeah. This one look nice. Oh.
You can pick hair color. That's okay.
Um,
There's here. We put this one. Then there's so many. You can pick other colors here too. If you want. Eee. That's just in the blonde, I think. So if you want to pick other color, you can pick other color.
this one.
That one.
IX.
Okay.
Oh,
It's okay.
what else?
You want outfit ba or you want like bodies?
I want body. This one is body.
No, not that.
I,
Torso. Miss Lady Rose. Bodies. You can pick any color. Color 1 and color 2. What color you want? You like that or you want the normal outfit?
I don't like that.
Remove item. To say outfit, then you can pick any outfit. Put show all. Excellent. Show all. Okay. You can pick now any outfits you want. Mhm. Where are you going?
Honey.
You're going there kasi in the
No,
top.
look.
Eh. Pink winter.
Oh. And it look nice this one. I like this one.
You can pick skirt. Go to the skirt. You can pick any skirt here. You can pick color.
Oh. Oh, it's too much. I
No?
want to change the skirt.
Remove item. And pick any other skirt.
Oh, no way, I don't like skirt.
Don't want heels.
Oh, what is this? So it's just all skirt.
Huh? This is all skirt. There's heels too.
No, short.
Um,
That's the one.
that's in the outfit that I
Okay.
give. Try that. Try a color.
Ooh la la.
You can also change the black, huh? You go there, you can change it.
Oh, yan.
Yan.
Yeah.
Done coloring. So, accessories. Go to the crown.
Ah, fire face. Okay.
Okay, you can scroll and pick anything you want.
What's this?
Earrings. Pick a color. Any color.
Oh. A blue.
That you see those earrings here? That's the one.
Yan.
Yan, done color. Oh,
Wow, ang ganda.
just that or you want more accessories?
What else?
There's jacket, clouds, necklace, sleeve.
Jacket.
Mm. What it's covering your outfit?
Yeah.
Don't want?
No, I don't know.
No. Ears, flower crown, anything. Or that's all. You just want that.
That.
That lang?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys. So here is her outfit number one. We're gonna do 3 or 4 outfits. Okay. So this is outfit number one. You can also toggle. You want this skate? Okay. You want this skate or you want these shoes?
No, I don't like skates. Why skates?
Because this is skates, but you can make it shoes too. That's the shoes.
I like shoes.
Then the skate is this. It's like trail shoes. Okay. Well, guys, we're gonna go on to outfit number two. Okay. So make your other outfit. Now that you know how to do that, you can make outfits now.
I want like a fairy.
Okay. Make fairy.
Ooh! Oh, it's a butter.
Butterfly.
Oh no, so candy. This one.
Witch. You want to be witch?
Cotton. Ooh, no, I like this
That. Okay.
one. Okay. Why she's bald head?
Because I take out everything so you can have
Okay,
base.
a hair.
Here.
Uh-huh.
Oh, put
Oh,
one
no.
style. One. Don't click that 2 times.
Oh, it's a fairy hair. Oh, no way.
You can scroll down. There's still others. Other hair. And also, you can put bangs if you want bangs. I think that has accessories. It's asking you to color, then it has accessories. Oh. You're gonna be Ice Fairy. Hiyori.
This is so
Mm,
ugly, her face. It's a square face.
It's Roblox.
Yeah. It's row your boat.
No, it's Roblox. There's hair tie, but you cannot see it.
How to change color? Why it's not changing color?
You want to change the color of the hair?
Yes.
Okay, remove item.
Eh?
Yeah, remove. Then more hair colors. Pick any color.
Oh,
Put
I
show
want
all.
long.
Show all, it will show all the color. Harley Quinn? The name is Harley. Christmas tree.
I think this color is
Okay. Want to change the face or you keeping the same? Tap the bubbles.
fine.
Give you money.
Oh, good job.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah. Uh,
Uh,
you want
I want to
face?
change the face.
Go to face.
It's on.
Yeah, it's hanging. The recording. We're recording.
I want a fairy eyes.
You can pick style, makeup color, eye color, anything.
I want a pink lips.
Pink lips.
Can be.
I don't know. Unless the one has pink lips. But you can make your own face.
Why her mouth is like that? It's open.
Because that's how the face is. You can make your own. You can make your own.
Ah, okay. Make
Custom eyes.
Custom lips.
Custom lips, you need custom eyes for that too. Pick kasi lip zero. Any lip. Okay, and you want that?
No, no.
uh,
No, yeah, that one.
color your lipstick.
Strawberry, rosy pink. Strawberry is nice.
Custom eyes. You want to change the eyes?
Custom eyes, color. And
And there's other eyes here. If you want. Ay, ginagawa.
oh, wow, where's the nose? Where's the nose?
The
I have a flat
no, try that.
nose.
No. It look like you.
This.
The eyes.
Now, this.
Why the lips so up? I don't
Why?
know.
It's probably.
Someone gave you a present.
Ah, thank you. Oh, it's a monster eyes.
Ooh, wait.
Where is that one? No, it's so up. You have flat nose.
There's no nose in this game.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think this is the best.
Do you want
choice.
that, the one you said that's sexy or outfits again?
The one sexy, where is it?
The bodies. You want the one?
Yeah, the sexy one like me. Where is it?
Here, to the crown, torso.
No, don't. Are you not see? Face? No?
No, that's like face accessories.
Oh,
Yeah, that's this one. color.
Peter Piper.
With heels, it looks good. But
I think I like pink.
you can
Oh, the
change
last one
the
is pink,
second.
right?
Yeah, but it's okay.
Oh, that one. That one.
You can change the second, or is that okay?
That's okay.
Then coloring.
Okay.
Then show all.
Show all.
Then pick anything you want to wear.
Oh. This is the last time? No.
No. Even if it is, it's okay.
No, I don't like the same. I want to always look brand new. Your outfit every day. Change your outfit
But
every
you always wear the
day.
same thing.
Okay, you want me to have a party here at home so I can change every day.
Yeah.
What's this?
Donut.
Oh no, I ate sweet. I'm too fat for that.
Remove vitamins.
But this is really nice. What's that? Lollipop candy.
Jelly with candy.
This one. What's this?
Color.
Huh?
Color.
Oh,
Color
it's
2.
nice.
Color 2. Then there's more detail.
Color 2.
Then color again. Color another color. See, the ribbon is orange, but the other is other color.
This one.
Me. Then color. Still look if you want any. If you don't
How about
want,
this?
then it's okay. Not, when if you're gonna wear heels,
What is this?
bow.
It's a Christmas. No, it's not Christmas.
It is. The game is Christmas and
Oh.
event. That's why there's the jacket.
You need to tell me that. So if it's Christmas, she must. What is that? Where is it?
Earrings.
I'm not even seeing it.
Use different colors so that you can see.
Oh. That one is so shiny.
Why you remove?
No! Where is that?
Why you remove?
Why you didn't tell me?
Done color.
Oh yeah, done.
There's this
She
bag.
looks so fancy.
Bag. What you want? Bag. You want hat. You want tail.
No, a fairy donut bag. Maybe this one.
Again, you said no. It's not Christmas.
Because it's Christmas.
If you want to change the orange, change it there.
I want it green.
You're green. Then, if
I think this is nice.
you
I
don't want,
don't like. If I put red, it's too dark. This one, I guess it's nice.
Done.
And about how I can change this color.
yeah,
Maybe that one should be color gold. I want gold. How
'cause
to
it's
reach
bell.
gold? Oh, that one is nice.
Yes.
Then done.
Yes.
And I want to change this stocking.
Are you gonna wear heels? Because if you're gonna wear heels, it won't come.
I want heels.
Okay, then change heels.
Wow.
Why you're so happy?
It's so sexy. Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
This way. Okay, change the orange to if you want. You want skirts?
Yeah. Mhm. I want it to Christmas color. So it's supposed to be green, red, gold, white. No, I hate. I know white is not.
Why
I
not?
think this one is this.
Okay, done. If you're done. You want skirt?
Wow. But this part cannot be changed.
Outfits. You want no sleeves? Because it cannot be with like different sleeves.
Yeah, how?
No sleeve? Swim?
Oh. No,
Oh.
it's Christmas. You cannot swim.
No, you go to swimming.
And she's a fairy. She have wings.
Then click any. Anyone. Any. And it will come because it only shows here.
Nice.
Alright.
Okay.
You want skirt?
Skirt.
Yeah.
Next.
Yeah. Then skirt. Skirt.
I don't like skirt.
You're,
I hate.
you don't want to try?
Because she's
This-
a fairy. She don't have to work. Let me try this. Oh, yeah, I like this skirt.
There, the cottage princess skirt, you can take off the apron. So if you
Why
want,
it's not changing color?
it's at the back, the bow.
What's the use of that?
Color one. Color one, then pick color.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Alright. No. I think that red one is good enough. Yeah.
I hope we're
Why are panties showy?
done coloring.
Why they cannot change that panty color? Look, it's so ugly. Or I better change it to red one, the underwear. How I can change
Or you
it?
can pick longer one, longer skirt.
And no. Okay. I think this is fine.
Done coloring. But if you want that one without apron, you can take off the apron. And you don't want.
No, I like this because it's Christmas.
Are you done?
And she look like Christmas tree.
You're done?
Yeah. The eyes, I think the eyes much better if it's like red
Okay, change.
or
Face.
green.
Okay. Face. Custom eyes. That's eyeshadow.
Oh, you can put eyeshadow.
It will change the eyes, I
Oh, she's sad.
think.
Why? Why you don't like the eyeshadow? Okay. I know I'm gonna change your eyeshadow.
Try that.
Let me. Oh, what happened? Oh no! She's broken hearted. She's so sad. Look, this one have a straight. Oh, a straight eyebrow.
That's for guys. It's not male eyes though.
No, a fairy don't have bros. Oh no! I think this is the one that I chose. No.
No.
Oh no way! Why? you have flat nose.
There's no nose. How's it flat?
It's too much flat.
Because the lips is so high. Why is it
Look at
flat?
this one. This. This is the one, right?
Yeah.
But that time you don't have eyebrows. Okay, how do I change the eye color?
Customize again.
Customize.
Then pick color.
Oh, this. Oh, yeah. This is red.
Mm.
Oh. Let me see this one. I think I'm in love. This is fine. Okay, check.
Yeah.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, look. She's so pretty.
Okay, guys. So this is her second outfit. We're gonna make four. Or okay.
Tomorrow again, another two.
Okay.
Or you want? Oh, she's so pretty, huh? Let me see again. Yeah.
Okay.
She's gorgeous.
For the last one, I'm gonna make.
Do I have to finish it?
Huh?
Making?
No,
Do you
it's
want me to
already-
make more? Okay.
If
No
you,
problem.
no, if you're tired.
I'm not tired.
Okay. Wearing, then exfoliate.
Oh, why? Okay. Oh, she's naked. No.
So you make new. So you make
No,
can make new.
no. Okay.
It's okay. We can edit the video short now.
No, it's probably this one.
The skirt.
No, how to remove items.
Pick.
It's skirt. So, okay,
Where
outfit,
do you want to start?
face.
Okay.
And no, I want to start from the hair because you have to know what type of hair she's gonna wear so you can fit
Duck.
the eyes. Oh, this one is nice. Why they're all bumpy?
Bumpy. Huh? You're not putting ba? You want bangs ba or no?
No.
Okay. If you want, just click bangs and you can find.
This one.
You're gonna be anime. What do you want to be? Anime?
I want to be this nice gonna look.
Why you're not picking the hair color?
What's the difference?
It's the
Oh, I want
limited.
this. She's Lola. Hello, Lola.
Okay, what next? What do you want next?
Oh, the face.
Oh, the face. Are you actually like that? Looks monster scary.
I want to have this type of. No!
You want that?
This one is nice.
Okay.
How about this? Oh my god. This looks sad. This is Chinese. This one?
Okay.
No.
Hmm.
Oh, it's so up. This is the one, right? No. What? I think that's the last one to the right?
What?
This is the one.
Okay. Okay.
I'm galit siya. I want it like anime eyes. No, why they're not fit to her face?
You can go to the ones that are already made.
Where is it? This?
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't tell me. Ah, this one, he looks so kind.
Looks so easy for you now.
And this one. He's so cute.
He's so cute. Why cute?
This is the fairy eyes. No, why is like that?
Hmm.
Oh, I think this. Yeah, this one. Okay, what's next? So do I have to make it on my own? I don't need to ask you.
Yeah.
Outfit.
Go to, that's for boys, that's for girls. Go to outfit. Girl. Let's make two videos. Uh, two videos.
After this,
Yeah.
I have to do something. That's the outfit.
Yeah.
Where's it going? Oi, again, it's for Christmas outfit. It's cold there. I think you have to wear a jacket.
You know it's cold.
Hello.
Olu.
What's you have wings?
Because you didn't remove the wings.
I told you to have wings.
You told it. You want that or the corset pala?
No, I don't like coats.
The one before?
Thing is, you know what's keep loving see?
Yeah, because we're recording and OBS takes lots of lag.
Ay, what is that? It's beautiful.
This one.
Yeah, no. Yeah. It looks so classy.
Lake.
Oh, okay. The shoes?
The shoes? Clap again.
Okay.
Shoes.
Where?
X.
What is this?
Nothing. It's just showing that you're dressing up. So people know. Heels.
Yes. Nice. Very
Right?
nice. I hate that one.
Why? You know na.
Should be a little darker because you look so light. You look so light. Yeah.
You wanted to change her skin color.
No, I don't like. I like this color.
Okay.
Oh, I think this color is nice.
I'm not gonna tell you to do more.
Oh,
Hi guys, welcome to Laseline's channel. What do you want? Sensory.
I don't like the wings.
Take out the wings.
Anyway, she looked good with the wings. But let me try this one. Ooh, see, it's so fit now to her color. But I think the outfit is close. It's up. No, this is skirt, right?
Yeah.
So it's the outfit.
It's loading. There we go. You're not so akure, akure, kakure, na 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 akure. Sorry, I'm a mid. You know what's a mid? Midzi is a kind of itzy. Or it's rhyming. Okay. Bunny dress. So laggy.
I think this one is nice too.
Okay,
Yellow.
X. Or are you sure? I X na. X. You need money for that. But we don't have robots, so X. X, are you done now? You go to
Yeah,
this
I'm
window.
done.
Okay, X. And skirts again. There's big skirts, those tutu.
Ayan, that skirt is so nice. Wait.
It's the bow at the back.
Eh?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Ayan. So, okay.